Welcome to Sajeeda's kitchen. Pan, add oil, add cumin, bay leaf, add black cardamom, add cinnamon, add green cardamom, add clove, add chopped onion, stir it along. Add ginger garlic paste. Saute it. Add chopped tomato. Pinch of sugar to reduce the acidic level of the tomato and balance the taste. Stir and let it cook for few minutes. Add ready-made tomato puree. Homemade tomato puree can be used as well. Give it a good stir. Add chopped chillies. Add red chilli powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder. Add Sambhar masala powder and chicken masala powder. Add chicken pieces. Coat the chicken pieces along with the masala. The detailed recipe is mentioned in the description box. Kindly refer. Add salt to taste. Place the lid and let it cook for few minutes. Open the lid. Stir it. Add enough water. Give it a stir. Put the lid. Chopped mango pieces. Here we have used ripened mango. Kindly avoid taking fibrous mango. Thanks for watching our video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Voila, recipe is ready.